Welcome to Back to School Night for the new school year. My name is Miss Makovic, and I teach Algebra I, Statistics Level 1, and AP Statistics. Just a little bit about myself. I graduated from the College of New Jersey in 2007. I earned my master's from Rutgers University, and I have my supervision certificate from Georgian Court College. I've been working at Edison High School. This is my 15th school year. I love to ice skate, and I was a competitive swimmer for quite some time growing up. The pictures you see there of myself and my family, my nieces and my nephews. I wanted to quickly just go over a little information for the 3 courses that I do teach. You may need to fast forward a little bit if I'm talking about a course that your child is not attending. Information for all of the courses you could see here. The grading policy is the same for all math courses for all 4 years, so you probably have seen that before. For my senior classes for freshmen, that will be new. I ask that everybody shows up with something to write with, a 3-ring binder because I give a lot of handouts, and their charged MacBook. You will only need a graphing calculator if you're in statistics, as I limit calculator use in the Algebra I course. All homework will be posted on the Google Classroom as well as solutions so that students can do the homework in their notebooks and then check the solutions on their computers the following day. Quarterlies will be given each marking period, and they'll be assessed on the material learned just during that marking period. We will certainly review before each of the 4 quarterlies. Here's a little bit of information for Algebra I. I mentioned that all homework will be posted on the classroom, and students can do that work in their notebooks, and then they'll show that to me the next day to receive credit. While students are checking their homework, I'll walk around to give them credit. I only check for completeness in Algebra I because I want students to kind of learn from their mistakes and make mistakes to learn from them. So I will only check it for completeness. Quizzes and tests will be given frequently, and we will always review before any test or quiz. I don't believe in a pop quiz. A little bit of information for Statistics 1. All homework's going to be posted on the classroom. I encourage the students to work together, to ask each other questions, to help each other. I will check homework for completeness or correctness. There'll be times where I'll collect the homework and grade, spot check a few problems. Other times I'll just give students credit for attempting the work, and then I'll put the solutions on the classroom. Quizzes will be chapter quizzes. The way our book is set up, there's no sections, it's all chapters. So your quizzes will be on chapters, and they'll consist of either multiple choice, short answer, free response questions. We'll review a day before every test or quiz. I wrote there when possible, but I try to make it a priority to review. That way I have time to answer any questions and clear up any misconceptions. Tests will be administered throughout the marking period. They'll usually cover between 1 to 5 chapters of material. And in order to prepare for them, students should definitely look at the homework, all the notes that I've handed out in class, and any activities that we've done. For advanced placement statistics, again, all homework assignments will be posted on the classroom. I encourage students to work together and make sure that on the date the homework is due, that it's completed and it looks nice, right? Everybody talked to each other, they helped each other, they checked each other's answers, because on the date that homework is due, I will roll the dice, and students will either take a short homework quiz, or I'll check the homework for completeness, or I'll collect it and then grade that for correctness. Please make sure that all homework assignments are on time, because I don't accept late homeworks, especially in advanced placement courses. Again, solutions will be posted online, and then students can look and check their answers. For the quizzes, again, it'll just be some chapter quizzes, as I mentioned in the Stat 1 course. For the tests, there'll be a 2-day test. The first day will be 3 response questions worth 50% of the unit test grade, and then the multiple choice questions will be the next day. And usually the tests cover about 5 chapters of material. Here's a little bit of information about the AP exam. Our exam will be administered on Thursday, May 5th. We started preparing for the exam last week because all unit exams have all old AP questions in them, so that the time it comes to review, students will be prepared. Online registration will be occurring shortly. There's a $96 registration fee and a $40 cancellation fee. And you could see the Section 1 and Section 2, which kind of mimic the amount of time students are given in class for the exams proportionally. I look forward to working with your student this year. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.